Today we're running a 1958 Johnson 3 horsepower. It's a model JW-14. This is one of the first outboards that I ever experienced wrenching on. Not this particular one, but one just like this. In fact, my father caught one of these clamming, believe it or not. He was digging clams and his rake stuck into the tank of one. He pulled it up and he got it running, and I remember that engine as a kid running like a top, and it left an impression in my brain, and I just became fascinated with them. It's twin cylinder, very small cylinders. It's got the standard magneto that OMC had in the 50s that really all their engines had: the 3, the 5.5, the 7.5, the 10, the 18. They all had similar magneto ignitions on them. It's just a really nice, simple engine. It's lightweight, integral tank on it, turns around for reverse, folding handle, low speed, high speed, mixture adjustments, and just a simple slide throttle on it. Just a real sweet running little engine, good for fishing and just gun calling and just putting up and down creeks and lakes. So let's go for a ride. Classic OMC pitter patter. So yeah, like I said, this one here's one I had to get just to relive the memory. That engine that my father dug up with a clam rake, that thing lasted for decades after he fixed it. These are so easy to work on. He had that one with the some kind of epoxy, like filling the hole in the tank from the rake poking through, and it looked all beat up from whatever abuse it had in its prior life, and it looked horrible, but it ran like this. It ran perfect, and he used that on his dinghy to get out to his work boat for years and years and years. They just run forever, and they run really well. It's one of the benchmarks in OMC history. So run them if you got them. If you find one of these, definitely pick it up. If you can get compression out of it, and a hot spark and a good fuel system, it'll run.